Hi, this is part 2, putting the top on the roll top box. These are the roof slats, and we're measuring a piece of tape twice, just slightly longer than twice as long as each piece. So I'm cutting it off and I'm peeling it. So taking the backing off, laying it flat, and we're laying each piece halfway along the width of the tape, as you can see. What you can't see, unfortunately, is just slightly out of shot, is it's slightly overlapped at the top, but you'll see that in a second. Then we're going to offer up the next piece perpendicular to that, and then you're going to then lay it flat, so you get an even gap, as you can see. So just take your time. That's it, and you can see you get an even gap all the way down, which gives you the mechanism of the roll-top-box. I'm pulling the tape up, making sure it's flat at the bottom, and bringing it through. And hopefully what will come into shot in a minute is I've just pulled that tab down. That's it, you can see now what I've done. Overlapping at the end, and then we're going to be trimming the tape so it just overlaps, so there's no gaps. And trim that off. I would use a non-stick pair of scissors for this, and that's the first piece done. So you've got two pieces joined together now, and it's exactly the same process for each piece. So we're going to join the next piece to these two pieces. So you measure your tape, peel off the backing, lay it out flat, offer up the pieces that you're joining together. You can see it's slightly overlapping and it's halfway on the tape, so make sure you're happy with the measurement. So if you're not happy, that's it, you see, and you can see at the top I've got the overlap, which is you can see better now. Okay, when you're happy with it, and then drop it down, and then you get that nice even gap all the way down that you need. Then I'll roll the top bit over and stick that, then pushing that over, and then just folding it up with your fingers so you get a nice smooth finish. Trimming your tape off, and then flatten down. Okay, the next sequence, as we've gone through, I've speeded this up so you can see it. I have speeded the time up. Okay, so we'll see you at the end of the sequence. And then we're coming up to this. So I'm going to cover the ends. You've done all your ribs for your top of your box, and we're just covering one of the ends, the front end. So I've cut a strip and I'm just trimming it. So you can see I've cut along, so you've got the pieces going in, and now I've just angled this slightly to get a nice even finish. So hopefully you shouldn't see any gaps. So bring that across and make that sure that's nice and flat at the top. Okay, and go in there. So unfortunately there is a slight gap, but no worries, we could just put another piece of tape over that. So just smooth it out. And then we're going to add another piece of tape. So cut it flat. So you get a nice edge, and then you stick it down over the top. And trim. So the next piece now is we're going to burnish, which means that adhere the tape to the grey board. With my bone folder, I'm finding where the joins are, and then I'm working my bone folder through the tape. Because it's cloth tape, it won't tear easily, so you can use a bit of welly on it. So you can see I'm just running the folds and just burnishing. At this point you can't burnish too much, so just keep burnishing. It'll help with keeping the tape adhered to the grey board, and it'll give you a nice smooth finish. So if you do have any little puckers or anything, you can get rid of them at this stage. So you go down each of the ribs where they join. Over the entire tape area to keep that nice and smooth. And it's ready to stick to the box. That'll be in part 3.